Welcome to the construction update of the Lake Residences at the Newport award-winning community. Situated along the Newport Lake, we're excited to give you the update and show you the extraordinary life that you could be living. Come have a look. Imagine waking up to this view every day. This could be your home. This is the alfresco area where you've got outdoor pool and looking at the amazing views. What an extraordinary life this could be. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee, relaxing in the evening, or entertaining friends and family, every moment spent on this alfresco will be remarkable. And for those who dream of navigating the waters, each residence comes with its very own private marina berth, providing high-mast access to the expansive Moreton Bay. Large windows and glass doors, strategically placed throughout the home, ensure these incredible water views become an integral part of your daily living. As we move to our 3-story blue home design, the master bedroom is located on the 3rd level. And just look at this. The panoramic views extend beyond the water, offering you captivating views of the majestic Glasshouse Mountains. It's a rare perspective, a view that truly set Lake Residences apart. Block B is also evolving, with installation and roof solar panels nearing completion. This sustainable addition comes as standard, ensuring not just comfortable but also efficient use of energy to keep your carbon footprint low. External painting works are almost complete and the dry lining and waterproofing works is reaching its final stages. Soon, joinery and paint works will kick off, bringing us one step closer to completion. Thank you for joining us on the Lake Residences construction update. We're so excited to see the milestones that we've achieved so far. Everything's taking shape and we look forward to keeping you updated moving forward. If you'd like to know more about this buying journey, please feel free to join us at the sales office 7 days a week. We're open between 10 and 5. We look forward to seeing you there.